How to download and install Temu app on Android phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can do so. Without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to Play Store from your device. At the top search bar, type in Temu. Now this is the application that we are looking forward to download. As I have already installed it, it's showing open. In your case, you might be seeing install like this. Now tap on install, and once the installation is completed, tap on open. Now as you launch your app, you will see sign in option at the bottom. If you don't see this sign in experience at the bottom of the page, you can also find the sign in option by tapping on the use section and simply tap on sign in/register. Just like so, enter your credentials and tap on continue. And this is how you can do it. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.